This is the V7 Expert Multifunction Foam Cleaner. Now this cleaner says that it cleans a number of things, and one of the points that it makes is sterilization, strong decontamination, and it cleans without injury or being a hazard. It is environmentally friendly. These are some of the things that it cleans: your car interior, your kitchen counters, your sofas, your computer, your shoes or sneakers, your pool table, and other felted materials. In the back has the instructions on how to use it. It does mention spraying 15 centimeters away from your desired cleaning object, and you've got to shake the can for 20 to 30 seconds to properly activate the foam. So let's do that. I'm going to be cleaning my Samsung laptop, and this is just for cleaning purposes only. So now I'm getting out any dust or any top layer of dirt on the laptop. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. So let's see what this cleaner can do. 15 centimeters away and spray. Ensure that you have a microfiber cloth for cleaning. That gives it that extra clean. So as we can see, as I'm giving it a clean, I know there is scratches on the laptop face. However, it is giving it a polish and a shine, and as you can see, compared to what it was before, it does look a little bit better. So now we're going to be doing the screen and the keyboard area. I don't recommend spraying this directly onto your keyboard. Rather spray it onto your cloth first and wipe the keyboard. So as I can see, with wiping it with the cleaner on the cloth, it is coming out quite clean, and it is giving the keyboard area quite a nice shine. Now we're ready to do the screen area. The screen does look a bit dull now. It has fingerprints on it. So let us see after we use this cleaner. So you can spray this directly onto the screen. Have your microfiber cloth to avoid scratches on your screen, and give it a good wipe. So this apparently not only cleans, guys, it gives it a polish as well. And as I've seen from the computer cover as well as the keyboard and now the screen, it is giving it a polish as well as a clean. So the screen is coming out quite nice. The screen leaves no fingerprints left. Overall, this is quite a brilliant product. As you can see, it worked pretty well on the laptop.